Maya's. Oh, it's working. Yay. Are you mateys? This is Tammy and I more. Come here. This is, oops, I'm sticking on a poor pirate toe.
Oh, arr.
This is Marty. So I'm going to be teaching her some private lessons, do a review today. So give her a lot of support. Okay. Okay, all we do is Maya's. So you might want to go like Maya's is up and over. Remember, up and over. Remember the nice one, the in one?
Yeah.
Up and over. There you go. Up and over. See? There you go. Up and over. Up and over. That's fun. You could do in and ends all day long. I love that one. Okay, the one, this is the hard one. Every dancer has a fit on this one, but let's get this done.
I already know it's coming.
Okay, for snake arms, we're going to lift up you're always going to make sure you lift up your shoulder. That's easy. Elbow, wrist, wrist, elbow, shoulder. Always lift the shoulder up. Shoulder, elbow, wrist. That's what, and then in reverse, wrist, elbow, shoulder. See? And then on your left, you got to lift up your shoulder. This is forward. Elbow, wrist. Now reverse. Wrist, elbow, shoulder. Now you connect. Yeah. Hey, look at this. Yay! She's lift, like you're lifting. Yeah. There you go. Woo! We're flying. See how you lift? There you go. We got that review done. Yay! Thumbs up. We got that done. And then we did our our belly rolls. Suck in. Make sure our posture is important. Posture is knees down. I know you can't see my knees. I can, but you can't. I'm talking public. And then your shoulders down and tummy's tucked. And now we do our belly rolls. Tuck in and push out. In and push out. In, push out. In, push in and out. There you go. Push in and out. Push in and out. You could do this all day long. Boy, you keep doing this, you could lose so much weight. Now it's the hip circles. Hip circles is going front, right, back, left, front. But it's good important to suck in your tummy and your posture when you get to the front, then right, back, left, front. It's four corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. See? And then you circle one. See? You're just doing your hips. See? There you go. You're really just like hula. You could do it faster, slower. See? Slower, faster, slower, faster, slower, faster. Really do it fast. And really what helps is the knees are doing this. That's why if you have your knees straight,
Right.
you won't be able to do this. You'll be like this, straight. You can't move. Okay, and the next one was, we already got the snake arms done. See what the time is on this thing. Oh, we're good. We've got 4 minutes. Okay, and the next one was, I'll teach you something to cheer on today. La 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 la. La la la. Always have your finger over. La la la. Now let's do it louder. La la la. If you ever see a dancer dancing, la 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 la. There you go. You can do it louder. La la la. You got it. Whoa. And she's a beginner now. You guys could try that.
Watch it easy.
Now we're doing chest pops. It's very easy. Just lift up.
Not your shoulders, obviously.
No, only your chest. Up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. The more you do this, you go more up, down, up, down. Now let's do the rib circles. You go from your right, same things like hip circles. You go front, right, back, left, front, right, back, left, front. Now smooth it out. There you go. There you go. Just the ribs. There you go. You like that one. I can tell you like that one. Woo, you could be like this. You could go your right. You could go your left. But a lot of dancers like to go really your right. And I don't like to go too much to my left. It's not my favorite side. It's awkward. But left-handers do go on their left. But I like to go my right.
I do too.
I don't
It's easier.
like go on the left, but you can do it different times, you know, make it really cool. Okay, for now. Okay, we're going to make another video. Okay, because it's getting stop time.